Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to set up and customize the related products section in your store. The related products section helps display items that are similar or complementary to the product a customer is currently viewing. This encourages shoppers to explore more products and increases the chances of additional sales by showing relevant recommendations at the right moment. Accessing the section. To access the related products section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Then navigate to Templates and locate the related products section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings, then open Growth Widgets. Once enabled, return to Templates and select the related products section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Related Products, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. You can choose the maximum number of products to display, ranging from 2 to 10 products. Set the number of columns on the desktop from 1 to 6, depending on how many products you want per row. Choose an image ratio to control how your product images are displayed throughout this section. Available options include Inherit, 16 to 9, 3 to 2, 4 to 3, 1 to 1, 3 to 4, 2 to 3, and Circle. Select the ratio that best complements your product photography and creates a consistent visual layout. Next, you can refine how your images are framed using the crop position settings. You can choose from Inherit, Top Left, Top Center, Top Right, Middle Left, Middle Center, Middle Right, Bottom Left, Bottom Center, or Bottom Right. You can also enhance the visual identity of your product cards by selecting an image shape style. Available shape styles include Default Clean and Standard Rectangular Display. Arch adds a soft arching curve at the top for a modern storefront feel. Blob Organic, fluid shapes that create a playful and trendy look. Chevron left-angled shape pointing left for dynamic visual direction. Chevron right-angled shape pointing right for balanced contrast. Diamond rotated square style for a bold geometric appearance. Parallelogram slanted edges for a sleek, motion-inspired design. Round, smooth, rounded corners for a soft and friendly aesthetic. The Show Second Image on Hover option lets you control whether a second product image appears when a customer hovers over a product. Choosing Inherit follows your theme's default settings, while Disable keeps only the main product image visible. The Product Carousel in the Card option controls whether product images slide within the product card. Inherit uses your global theme settings, and Disable shows only one static image for a simpler layout. With the Quick Add option, you can decide how easily customers can add products to their cart. Choosing None removes the feature completely for a cleaner layout. Standard provides a simple Add to Cart button for quick purchases, while Bulk is designed for stores that want to support adding multiple quantities or variants more efficiently. You can also enable or disable the Show Product Vendor option. When turned on, it displays the brand or supplier name on each product card, helping customers identify trusted or familiar brands at a glance. Finally, the Show Product Ratings option allows you to display customer reviews and star ratings directly on the product card. For mobile devices, choose between 1 or 2 columns to ensure the best browsing experience for your customers. Match the related products section to your store's branding with color schemes including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add multiple blocks, including Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options. And that's it! Your related products section is now fully set up and ready to boost your store's sales. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.